All right, sorry. I think my mic was muted. Yep. Let's see. Let me move the cursor out of the way. So I finally figured it out. I figured out what I needed to do. So I had one big problem that was the main cause of all my trouble, and it was that I completely forgot to set lexical binding. So I can do it right here, for example. And it's just, you just add this comment. There's even a command that will do it for you. You add this comment, and what happens is that scope will not be dynamic, but lexical, which means that when you try to reach things from an outer scope or within a let block, you will be able to do so and cannot grab stuff from further outside. At least that's my understanding, more or less. Because the issue was the lambdas, the nested lambdas. Without lexical binding, this flag cannot be reached. This flag variable cannot be reached because it's defined here in the outer scope of the outer function, of the outer lambda. So yeah, that was it. That was mainly the cause. Let me check if I okay, fine. Yeah. So, so that was the issue. So with lexical binding, basically, you can reach things that are defined in an outer scope. So this flag can be reached here, right? And I think the same applies for in the case you want to reach things outside of the scope of a nested let, like in this case, right? We have a let here that's within another let, and so yeah, it will make everything easier. Let me lower the volume a little bit. So all of these now can just be simplified into this. So let's move the macro first of all. And I can define the macro, well, either at the top or at the bottom, doesn't change much to me. But probably at the bottom because I have the other functions defined earlier, but it's fine. Also, we should change the name of this. So this will be UV generate command, transient command, right? And this is an internal, like people that people should not use this outside of this package, right? So we put a double dash for that. I'm pretty sure that's what you use double dashes for in eLisp. Let's add a doc. Generate a transient suffix. Yeah, this is actually a suffix command, right? Suffix command, suffix, right? With given name which executes command name hey oh you cannot hear my voice? Okay, let me just put it a little bit higher. Hi, thanks for joining. Is your webcam feed meant to fill the blank space? No, it is not. The blank space is just a blank space. I, I'm also moving places, so this will be even more blank in the following days. Hey, thanks for following. So this will be even blanker in the following days, and yeah, let me know if you guys can still hear the music because I'm not a good DJ, right? I used to be a kind of decent guitar player, but DJ, no, no. Yeah. So yeah, in a few days I'm moving, and all the stuff behind is also going to be left. I used to have more plants over here, a couple of nice cacti, and they're gone. As well, there's now just 2 little plants, but they're probably going to be gone as well. And my cat's picture, and yeah, just stuff that needs to be either thrown away or given to someone, like my neighbors or someone. So yeah, so we have the doc string here. Executes the command name can be invoked with given key. I think I need to mention the description. Hey, hi, JMPNJ. Long time no see. How you doing? Yeah. Oh, I don't know if you watched the previous streams, but I struggled so much with this. I'm good. I'm tired, but good. Moving is tiring. So yeah. Yeah. So I'll catch you up. Someone else wrote. Gotta go, but I have to follow. See you in the next one. Oh, thanks. Thank you. See ya in the next one. So basically, I was trying to make this wrapper macro around transient, so it would be quicker to make these commands. Yeah, I just picked it up again. I just picked it up again in the last some days. Because I looked at the last videos and streams, and they were like 3 months ago, and I was like, oh man, this has been so long and I still have to finish this. So I just picked it up again. But basically I wanted to make this macro wrapper, and I actually had kind of good amount of it done properly. It's just that I completely forgot about the lexical binding. And since I have like a partial thing, partial stuff hand rolled, it was not playing well with that. And I couldn't figure out for the life of me what was wrong. And then I figured it out and just adjusted a little bit. Yeah. Yeah. It was more scoping, all the scoping stuff. It was not even clear at the beginning to me, but then I figured it out. Oh man, I don't have lexical binding enabled, and so yeah, um, yeah, yeah. So okay, yeah. Recently I read half of this book, really good book, Layer Over Lambda, and so I really wanted to play around with the Lisp and practice some of what I've read there. So yeah, I couldn't wait, really couldn't wait. So okay, let's see. with a given key, displaying given description. I know I'm repeating given a lot, but yeah. All apply all rm to the command, shell command, right? Okay, like this. Why is this wrong? Argument name should appear as name in the docs. No, don't tell me that it's the comma. Is it the comma? No, it's not the comma. First sentence should add with a punctuation. Oh, like this? Oh, I see. Don't autocomplete that for me. That's not nice. I didn't like that. Don't do that. Okay. Argument name should appear as I will not complain about this. It needs var names as first word. Oh, as first word on the line. No. Like this? No. Let me check some of the other ones, because the other ones it's not complaining about, right? Do I have anything with arguments that I'm no, see, I can put it wherever. Come on. Maybe like this. Name it with given name, right? Like this. No, I will. Yeah. This is annoying and it's not useful. I want to get stuff done, so, so I will just go ahead. Yes. So now I should be able to basically transform. Yeah. I mean, look at this. I cannot have 20 of these laying around. It's not. It's not nice. It's not nice. It should not happen. So having this reduced to something smaller, although I will still have to repeat it quite a few times. Wow, this is a mouthful, right? A line full. So name. We can call this wait. It's gonna put it. God damn it! I wrote this thing. Yeah, there. So I will call it pip sync. Pip sync. Command name. What is the command name? Pip sync. Pip sync. And then the key is going to be PS. And the description UV pip sync command, and then I can pass all of these. I'm pretty sure there's a way to like regex and copy all this stuff at once. Is there? There might be. There might be, but we don't know. We will never know, probably. So I will just practice my typing skills. No break system packages, also because I have abrev, so enabled, and so it's not as bad as I thought. reinstall. And the important thing is the order, because some of these flags, it's important that they come before others, like the path, because that's stuff that it's not supposed to be passed as a parameter to the UV command, but I am doing things underneath to make those parameters usable, like the path I just said. Oh, it's the triple quote? No, don't tell me it's the triple quote. No, that's my being a Python developer person, right? Yeah, it was totally the Python. What's happening here? There should be two spaces after a period. Thanks. Yeah, 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 yeah. Well, professional. How do they say it? Uh, I don't remember how they say it. In Italian, they say something like professional deformation. When you do something a certain way because of your day job, right? Of your trade, of your muscle memory due to work. So reinstall. Oh, in French it's the same? Nice. Je parle un peu de français, but that's as far as I will go. No more. Allow empty requirements. No allow empty requirements. Python platform and this. Why? Why are you sad? What did I do? Oh, I put an extra parenthesis. Okay. I think I did it. Yeah, unfortunately, I mean, what can you do? A lot of people have to succumb to Python to pay for their bills. Uh, like sometimes we can try to make fun of people that they use JavaScript, but I mean, deep down we know we're not that far off from them. We're all on the same boat. So yeah. Uh, I like working with Go. Like I really like working with Golang. That was really I felt like I was becoming a better like developer person in general with Golang. So let's try to I will call it pipsync new. Okay, so I can test it because now I can go to where this is used. Okay, I can go to this one, reevaluate it. I don't remember if I evaluated all of this stuff. Ooh, I think I didn't. How do I go to the end like this, right? Yeah. I should, okay. Let's try to use it. UV pip sync. Pip sync. PS, and that's the sync command. Let's go to the dummy project so I can actually test this. Yeah, sure. So pip sync. Let's pass a couple of parameters just to see if just to see if it works. Do not break system packages. Oh no, AER. Okay. Let's try PS. Let's go. Compilation started. The following required arguments were not provided. Oh, the source file. But that's good. It ran, right? And the fact that it ran, it means that probably works. Source requirements. I should autocomplete that. I remember that I made a function to autocomplete that, or otherwise I just thought of making it. Let's go. Oh, look at that! It worked. So you know what this means? This is going to go from 800 lines to probably half of that. No, not half, but that's yeah, okay. I will keep them commented out because maybe I'm just tripping and it's not really working. Maybe it is a bit not good that I generate the name in the macro. You know, I'm generating the name in the macro here, the name of the macro, the transient here, like this. Maybe I should straight out pass it all. Huh. Because then I want to reference these things and there's no explicitly written wait, what was UV command? Yes, let's do it like this because otherwise I have no point of reference, right? Good. Let's try to make the other ones and I will move it down here and I will no, you don't need to go all the way up there and just try. Sorry, but I made a name that's too long to be remembered. Sync command. So this is the simple sync command. So it will be UV sync command, right? The key, yeah, right. The name, the command name, sync. The key is S. The description. Give me this. And actually, I will just start building vertically. You know, it's like living in a studio apartment. Just do everything vertically, develop everything vertically. Right. Python version. So now it's the Python, and then extra. This is gonna be really boring. Like, yeah, extras, but I mean, it's so satisfying. Once I can delete all of that, it's gonna be so satisfying to watch all those lines disappear as if I never wrote them, just to remind me how much I wasted, much time and thought power I wasted to make them, just to undo them. No, install project. What else do I have? No editable. No editable. But this is going to be also easier to extend, right? because the logic now it's condensed into make things pass arguments in the order that is most important to you, and that's it. Really, you don't need anything else. So yeah. Okay, so we got this one done as well. Pip show command. Oh, see, make a macro for this. We can already delete 2 lines of comments from of my to do. Right. Let's make it here. Oh. Oh. Oh man, look at my key binding kung fu. Pip show command. So this is going to be the pip show command, and next we have the pip show, yes, and then the key is going to be X, and the no. Oh man, I managed to do that before. No? Ah. I managed to do that. Go back at the beginning of the string, even though it was in a comment. Huh. Okay. We have the package flag and the strict system, the no cache, the Python with an equal, and that's it. Like really 2 seconds, and this block can already go. UV. I did not leave it up right now. No. Let's see. Do we have any other ones? Yes. Pip list. Okay. List. Okay. Let's go with editable, strict, system. And I also thought about passing these parameters without the double dashes, etc. But I don't want to take too much care of it, because then if I go back to this like months after or even years after, and there's just the words without the dashes, I'm gonna be like, oh man, this is taken care of somewhere. I gotta find out where that happens. Instead, like this, the simpler the better, especially if you don't want to look at the code for a long time, right? The simpler it is, then the more clear. Yeah. So let's see. We have the pip list. Maybe I can go back by mark. Can I? Is it there? No, it's not there. Can do the init command. this. Let's switch it up with the music. Let's see. Yeah, some classics. Why not? Well, and what are you guys working on? Are you guys working on anything particular? Anything new that you're developing? Right. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. I'm guilty of that. Let me yank this. And this is going to be init command. Init, I guess. And then T and no, yeah. I get the same. Like there are periods that I'm able to like do a bunch of side projects and stuff, and then I go like in dormancy for a while because it's just, you know, it just gets too much. You also gotta go out and do things and see people. It's I think at least it's not always that healthy to be stuck inside and do this. Also because it's sedentary, right? So it's literally not good for your health. My next purchase is the standing desk and treadmill to put under it. Let's see how it goes. Maybe I'll just fall forward and hit my jaw on the desk. Next stream is gonna be with a nice clear cut jawline. Okay, so this is the init. It looks like it's done already. Is that possible? Did I do it already? Yeah. No. This is ending up down and down in the ring, in the key ring. So I just delete it and then not delete it. I just cut it so that it goes back up in the ring. Yeah, it's back up here now. Let's see. Python install. Oh, it's literally Python install and Python install. Nice. No cache, please. That's the other thing that the letter over lambda is pretty good for like cache and stuff. Ooh. This is different. What? I'm using a read here. Huh. Oh yes, because this is one of those things where this is like I will literally just use another UV command to get the list um, of all the versions available. Okay, this needs to be implemented, but I will sacrifice it momentarily. Right. I will momentarily sacrifice it. And let's go to the next command. Well, look at these. I will add it here. There it is. This is vent command, which I guess it's vent, right? Yes, vent command with a V makes total sense. That's just the description. Path. No. No project. Seed. You know what? Even if I break some stuff, I don't care. I will fix it and improve the macro because it's just so much better not to have all this clutter. And if I forget how the macro works or how macros work, well, that's good because it will teach me a lesson. Don't forget how macros work. That's misspelled. Allow existing. And what else do we have? Keyring provider. Keyring provider and Python. I think this is all. Let's see which one do we have here. Lock command. Lock. Okay. No, don't do that. Did I close? Oh, I didn't. I didn't close this one. Okay, now it's good. The description. Can I do this? Oh, yes, I can. That's nice. Locked. Frozen. I'm not getting an autocomplete anymore, I think. No? Oh, yeah. No. Cache. Refresh. Man, I love the refresh, whatever they're called. Froyos or whatever from Starbucks. When summer approaches and they put those flavors out, I really, yeah, I just cannot hold myself. Let's see, another suffix, add command. How many do we have? Let's do this add. Should just let them go. Hey. Column set to 0. I want to... Oh, I left... no, I didn't leave the parentheses open. Am I... Can I do comment region? Thanks. So let's do this. Nice. This is add. It's going to be add, I suppose, a oh. And now I can do package. No project. And you know, if I wanted to, I could even just somehow parse the output of the UV help, the different UV helps, you know, like UV add dash dash help. I could parse the output of that, get all the flags, and programmatically make these from that. So I would use the UV helps as a basically a template really for the transient suffixes. But for now, let's do this. Then I will delete this as well and do that. So that's how things go. That is how things go. Let's see. Let's do some Gaslight Anthem. No sync. Upgrade. Do we have upgrade package, right? And then no cache. Oh no, it wasn't no cache, it was reinstall. Reinstall. Then reinstall package. And then no cache. Now it's no cache. Refresh. Index strategy. Hearing provider. Python. Man, I think there's just a couple left. Just great way to get to 1 hour stream by deleting a bunch of old lines. That would be good. No, I did it. Oh no, I have this one. Let's see, suffix command, I think I call them usually. No, I did it. I did it, you guys. Prefix. Command. No, was it suffix? Sorry, suffix command. Come on, come on. Come on. Let's get to the chopper. Oh. So, coming apart. Really hot sneakers. Oh, yeah. of this. And then we have command, oh, not one, equal. And then is that it? Is it just this? Oh yeah, I think I just started this and then I kind of left it. Okay, that's fine. That's really good. So now, okay, no, let's not see. You get excited. You do all this stuff, and you're ready to delete everything, but you shouldn't. You always have to double check because then you delete everything and you realize, oh no, man, this one I made a typo or I copy pasted the wrong stuff. I need to reference the old one, and then you have to undo 300 times, and then you're crying. So we don't do that. We double check, and we will double check, and probably I will still miss some of the stuff, and I will still end up doing 300 undos. But at least I will have tried, right? That's all. That's all that I can ask of myself, that I'll at least try. So you could leverage multiple cursors and generate the Emacs code. Yeah, that would be fun. Yes, I don't have multiple cursors. I've seen people use it. I usually use rectangle mode, especially sometimes in like real scenarios. I find myself needing rectangle mode, which is pretty good. Like I like to use it. But multiple cursors, I never used it. But this is a use case for multiple cursors, I guess. Like you set one for each of the double quotes here, or whatever. Maybe you even click. You know, you just go click, click, click. We shouldn't shy away from clicking. So yeah, so this is run R, makes sense. And this is add a, yeah, I missed the space here. So add, right? That adds up. Yeah, I should try it. I can try it. I'll double check this, delete the lines, and then multiple cursor stuff. Let's see, because I think I can install it meanwhile. Package install multiple cursors. Oh, it's also maintained. I thought it was like super old and like unmaintained, but people were still using it. But it's maintained. Yeah, yeah, it could have been faster, but this is like Zen, right? Relaxes me. Just checking stuff and remaking it, refactoring, then making sure that everything is done right. Like programming while you stream takes at least to me takes a lot of the attention off from the logic. So if I have to implement something like this macro that I made from scratch on stream, I will struggle way more than if I'm not streaming. Like if I'm not streaming, I can probably I would have probably done this in less than half the time. But yeah. So sometimes I just like to refactor things on stream and do things that are a little bit more like that don't require that many neurons, if you know what I mean. Yeah. Like your transient definition, you can have one cursor per line and quickly extract the right string. Yeah. So let's see, lock. Lock is K, which makes sense. Locked and all that. Lock is also the command. No sources, upgrade. Yeah, makes sense. What about this V? This is Venv, probably, right? Venv. And it's 9. Wait, is this right? Oh yeah, it's one. It used to be one less than the actual number. Yeah, don't ask me why. Very well. Sync s command is sync. Oh, sync command. Did I? Oh, I skipped one. See, it was good to double check. I skipped one. The init, I thought I did it. Yes. Pip sync command. Oh no, I did it up. Right. And this is a to do. So no, let's put a to do over here and to do right like this. Very well. So we have UV Python install. Do I have it? UV. Oh, I thought I was searching. UV Python install. Yes, I have it. Pip sync command. Maybe I can do it like this. Transient define suffix, and I know that they're all called command, and I can export this, and it's 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, right? Yes. And now I can just use this, right? And like this, right? That's 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Yes, let's go. Okay, ready guys? Are you guys ready? We are 6 minutes from the hour and we're about to delete a bunch of lines. Are you ready? Are you ready, guys? You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna copy paste them at the bottom because I want to get rid of all of them at once. I'm gonna enjoy this. Yes. Ready? Are you not entertained? Let's see. This will make any screw up in the process even funnier. Okay. We are on 900 lines. Let's go with Guns N' Roses. Boom. 600. And I think I can even get it lower because like some of these, I mean, these you could put them all in one liner, right? But you could even put them in a dedicated module. It would be nice to have them in a dedicated module, right? And there's a bunch of empty lines that I can get rid of, right? This I need to correct because it's now just the regular pip sync command. But most important of all, will it still work? That's the big question. I'm just double checking everything. Okay. There's no commented. Finish UV run. See, integrate with the embark. Macro for commands is done. I wanted to do something here. I have no idea what I wanted to do. But we are down to 669 lines. No jokes, please. So I will do like this. So 667 or 666 and yeah, we can do this. Very well. Very well, very well. I'm very satisfied. We got rid of like probably 100 so lines of code, right? If only we had a tool that told us. Isn't there like remember there was a way to see like number of additions and number of deletions, like the total. Remember there was. Yeah, but you know what? It's fine. We will not push it yet because now we evaluate the whole buffer. Okay, looks like everything went fine. Let's put right. So it evaluated fine. And since it evaluated fine, I can go to the main.py, right? And UV menu, I think it was the entry point menu. So we can try everything now. We can try to run any kind of command. NA, name, some name, and then PK, why not? Oh no, sorry. No, not PI, PK. Why not? And then the Python interpreter. Yes, it works. Everything works, guys. Everything works. 312 and let's go. Error project is already initialized. I don't remember which file it uses. Oh yeah, it's the Py project. But that's good. The command ran. So we can create a new virtual environment. Let's try to do that. I can overwrite this and call it vem5 because you never vem enough. Then do not discover. No idea. So packages into the virtual environment. No. Then relocatable. Yeah, why not? And allow existing. And the Python interpreter again. Let's do the 3.12 and let's go. Oh, you guys, it worked. It worked. Vem.5 is here. Nice. Nice. And we can try to do the add dependency. Name of the package. Let's call it, let's do, I have pandas installed. Oh no, I don't have pandas. I don't think I have pandas installed here. Dash dev. Oh no, I don't do the dashes, right? Dev, editable. We do them all. UPG and A, add it. Oh, it was already added. So yeah. We can try even one that. No. We can try one that it's not there. Let's add Boto3, right? And let's do editable and let's add it. Yay! I should come up with a better like compilation thing because this is awful to look at. Like if you scroll down at the bottom of this, it will give you a seizure probably. UV is getting trendy. A lot of people will like that. I hope so, man. Like there's already some stars on the GitHub repo. There was another thing that prompted me to do this and pick this up again because I wasn't even looking at the repo that much. And then I looked at it and it was like, I don't know, 15 or something stars. I'm like, oh man, I really hope people are not using this. So yeah. So now I have some pressure. Let's see. But that's good. That's good. Lock. Oh, UV Trollo command is not defined or autoloaded. You see, I had changed this, and instead it should be this. This is from my testing. What did I have to add here? Oh, lock. Lock. Maybe I can do an upgrade. Yeah, let's update our dependencies. Updated. Everything is updated. Yo, yes. Let's see. You know this hook? How to see color output when compiling. This looks pretty cool. Oh, I do compilation filter hook, ANSI color compilation filter. Oh no, I didn't. I usually just I regarding like how can I say, like visual things in Emacs. I usually just use the themes and that's all. I let then the language modes and tree sitter whatever handle everything else. Although this will probably be good. Let me try it in the scratch. Okay. I evaluated this. Let's try to redo it. Let's do lock upgrade, and I still have Pippo in the things that I need to take get rid of. Let's do it. Oh, I think it's still the same. So color Emacs faces. Let's try another one. I still have to check all the rest. Sync environment, Python version management. That should be UV Python install command options. I can do no cache. 3.12.7. Let's try this. Oh, I already had it? I think I already had it. No, not the lock. No cache. Can I install a very old one? This is the oldest. Let's do 820. I don't see why I should have it. Oh, now it's doing this. Before it wasn't doing this. It wasn't like, I think so. Oh, no. Oh, I don't know. I don't really know. Maybe the type of buffer that I put here. Oh yeah, it is a compilation buffer. Yes, I use a compilation buffer. Let's try with add dependency package and matplotlib. Maybe it's still in. Oh, okay. Oh, but it's still going. No, this hook doesn't work. But it's probably because of the type of buffer that I'm using. Otherwise, something else. Not sure. Let's see. UV is getting trendy. Yeah. Well, anyways, let's try the multi-cursor thing because it looks like the commands are pretty fine. Let's try to run a command. Let's try to do Python. See, I think this is how you do it. That you just do something like this, right? How do I run it? Oh, I don't have the actual execution. Okay, this worked, but I think this needs to be fixed. I have the command. That's it. Fixed. Nice. Execute a pip subcommand. Oh, let's do the show. This is a pretty cool one. I like to use the show one. Pip show command option. Oh, I gotta provide the package. Pip subcommand show, and can I do all of them? No. No, I need to do. Oh, but I have the list. Okay, it gives me the list. I made this, but completely forgot. Okay. Nice. So this works. It's pretty cool, pretty good. I'm even using Python 13. I completely forgot I installed it. Yeah. I need to rename some of the descriptions probably because UV add. I can just leave it like without saying options and stuff. There's UV lock, right? And then I don't need to add words. I don't need to use words. Yep. Install command options. Let's do this. I think it's all command options. Yes, yes. Oh no, wait. Yeah. This was right. There was just a couple that was left. This is okay. Okay. Space of one. Very well. Let's try the multiple cursors. No, what was that? Multiple cursor mode. Okay. Do multiple cursor mode for all cursors. I only have one, so let's see. Okay. The multiple cursor. Is there anything that I have that is to no? Okay. Package list, packages. I'm gonna go check out if it has a small little dock in the thingy. Multiple cursors. Oh, there it is. Okay. So require multiple cursors, MC edit lines. Okay, then you have to set up your key bindings. It doesn't presume to know how you'd like to lay them out. There are some examples. When you have an active region that spans multiple lines, the following will add a cursor to each line. Oh. let me change up a little bit the music. Yes. Yeah. So I was saying. Oh, they start with MC. MC mark. Yeah. So when I have active region that spans multiple lines, the following will add a cursor to each line. Edit lines. When you want to add multiple cursors, not based on continuous lines, but based on keywords in the buffer, use mark next line like this. Oh, okay. But can I use the click to do it? Can I do like, click here, and click here and expect it? Let's see. Mouse. Ah, there it is. To override the mouse event, you will likely have also down mouse. Add cursor on click. Yes. Or key binding and mouse. What does key binding and what does this do in this moment? Spa runs the command mouse drag secondary. Mouse start secondary. I have no idea what those do. So I will just, oh no, where's the package? Yeah, keep this page open. So mouse, right? Yes, definitely give me this because I will use this. All right. I can try here. Like 1 and 2. No, did it work? Oh, but multiple cursor mode is not activating this buffer, right? It's not. I think it's not. I didn't activate it as a global mode. I still have this thing. Down mouse 1. Well, you know what? Joke's on you. Do I have to maybe reload the mode? Oh, now it's enabled. I'm pretty sure I enabled it before. Yeah, see, it's not. Do mouse set secondary for all cursors? No, wait. Wait, no. No. Oh my god, what did I do? MC so let's try to do this. Let's do this. Let's go down here and do that thing with the lines. And see lines, right? Oh, mark next lines. So I did. Oh yeah, you see. Yeah, okay. This is oh, I can move this like back and forth. Yeah, this is pretty cool. I made something similar recently for I don't even remember what. Um Test. Huh. Nice. So it's a little bit like rectangle mode, because in rectangle mode I would do what, this, right? Yes, go down like this, and then just rectangle insert, which is I think XRI, something like this. Then insert, string insert rectangle. I'm pretty sure. Test, right? It's not interactive like multiple cursors, but in this case it's the same. But I think that the strong thing of multiple cursors is that you can match on like you can do matching, right? So that's the powerful thing. Try selecting region and lines. You will see how the cursors feel. Yeah. That's exactly how I tried it. And there's also this thing that's, see, next line. Mark next line. And then mark next line. Do for all cursors? Yeah, sure. So you can do this. Oh, this is exponential. So you do the next line for this, but also for the others, right? So, right. And then it's double. But it doesn't prompt me for that anymore, but it's still good. If I do this, nice. This, yeah, nice. I can see this with like YAML or even JSON in some cases being like a godsend. I want to try the other stuff. That matching thing. There was a mark next line like this. Where's that? Yes. Mark next line. When you want to add multiple cursors, not based on continuous lines, but based on keywords in the buffer. Keywords in the buffer. So I evaluated that. And so I can do like something like this. I select this region and then I do like this. Oh, haha. Nice. No need to select. Try selecting a region. We'll see. Yeah, it will match the term at point. Oh yeah, the term. So yeah, and you can also do probably like this, right? With when you do like the period thing. No? Oh no. With embark it doesn't pop up with embark. No, with embark it doesn't pop up. But if I do it like this, it will probably. No, this is. What is this? No, no. But it's fine. Even like this, it's pretty awesome. Yeah, that's what I'm using. I'm doing control greater than, right? But I don't know why it's. If I just do it over the point, it does this. Maybe it's because of the embark stuff that I have. Not sure. But if I select the region, it will just match it like transient, right? If I do transient and do this. Oh no, wait. Now it's saying no undone changes to redo. Oh, I pressed the wrong button. Sorry. Oh, look. Look how many. Haha. Yeah, this is pretty cool. Yeah, I think maybe you need to select, but yeah, it's still pretty cool. I could try to get used to this. Next, like this word, like this symbol. So there's one for each. Probably need to make the right key bindings, right? Because this is next line like this. Next, oh, but this is next like this, so it's generic. But it says add a cursor and region at the next part of the buffer forwards. Okay. That's fine. It's still pretty good. I mean, I will probably add it long term, but I just need to rewire my brain to use it. Well, guys, it looks like this refactor yielded some results, so I'm okay with this. It went better than expected, probably. So thank you all for joining. I think I will go now. It's getting a little bit late, and I will see you all in the next few days. Tomorrow I will not be streaming, but probably in a couple of days I will do another stream and keep working on this and add some features on the UV run command. I will now just push this to the repo so that it can be up to date. Or maybe I will push it tomorrow morning. I will re-review what I did for tomorrow morning. So thank you all and see ya. Have a good one. Oh yeah, yeah. I don't know if I will be able to handle it, but I'll try my best.